Idea that's behind me. I'm going to give you a quick run around on how to install these. It's super simple, should be able to do it in 10 to 15 minutes, and let's get into it. So for the first part of the install, what we're going to do is we're going to grab a ratchet. We recommend using this sort of size ratchet because these bolts can be a little bit difficult to break off. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a Torx 50 piece inside the door hinge bolt, and then we're just going to apply some pressure. It will crack off and then you can remove it like so. If you want to do that on all 4 of the bolts, work them out, get them all out, and then we'll show you the next step. So with the kit, you'll get a hardware kit. You will get these cone-shaped spacers which sit in the recess of the door hinge. So you can see those there. So if you place those on first, then what you need to do is place 2 washers this side of the bracket, and then 1 washer this side. Start at the bottom, and then we'll just loosely thread these in like this and get them started. As we said, start at the bottom, get these started with a nice small ratchet so you can feel exactly what the threads are doing. Obviously be careful not to cross thread anything, but they're super simple, you shouldn't have any issues, and then we'll move on and we'll fit the top. It's important to remember when you're installing these are sided. So as you can see here, this sits perfectly in line with the door hinges. If the wrong side is fitted, it's quite obvious because the holes are offset, so you'll have a bigger gap this side. So just bear that in mind when installing it. Once you've got all the bolts nipped up, then just proceed to tightening them. Don't go too crazy, just nip them up, and that should do nicely.